CB Apartment is an exercise in spatial reorganization that turns construction flaws into opportunities for conscious design. The intervention explores the relationship between material, light, and shadow through carefully chosen elements, metalwork as planes of interruption and visual continuity, terrazzo as a surface linking interior and exterior, and fabrics, bricks, and glass as mediators between spaces. Together, these elements alter spatial perception throughout the day. Located in a residential building in downtown São Paulo, near Minhocão, the project responds to the client's wish to upgrade the apartment without erasing its original character. The existing space suffered from recurring issues: water infiltration at window frames, poor balcony drainage, stain-prone flooring, lack of privacy, and excessive cross-ventilation, causing constant drafts. The challenge was to solve these technical problems while improving spatial quality through precise, non-invasive actions. Aligned with the studio's principles of intelligent design and material responsibility, the proposal engages the existing architecture through strategic interventions. Lightweight metalwork and translucent textured glass create subtle separations without breaking visual continuity, filtering natural light into gradients of opacity. Fabric curtains soften sunlight and cast diffuse shadows across the continuous floor, enhancing depth and comfort while recalibrating airflow for better thermal balance. Window frames were refurbished, and the balcony drainage redesigned to ensure watertightness, while durable finishes such as aluminium and terrazzo reduce long-term maintenance. A predominantly white interior amplifies natural light, while black terrazzo on the exterior adds mineral density and marks spatial transition. The approach prioritizes material circularity by reusing existing elements wherever possible. The renovation shows how precise surgical interventions can transform an existing space. By combining technical performance, material longevity, and atmosphere, the project reveals and amplifies the latent qualities of the apartment, turning its limitations into new possibilities for inhabitation.